The spiritual message of fasting. What is the creation plan of the Creator for mankind? This can be understood in terms of two phases: the pre-death period of life of this world and the post-death period of the life hereafter. In the first phase, a person has been created for the purpose of test. In the second phase, those who are selected in the test of this present world will be settled in paradise. This is God's scheme of things for humans. You can understand this by studying the Quran. This is a very simple scheme, although it is very grand. You and I have been created by God. We are currently in the period of test. Fasting in the month of Ramadan is part of the test. Fasting has been prescribed to prepare us for this test. Those who fulfill the criterion set by God can be selected for the life in the hereafter. This is the scheme of things of God Almighty. Ramadan is a part of this divine scheme of things. This is a great opportunity provided by God Almighty so that we can utilize fasting to prepare ourselves. For example, people prepare themselves to succeed in the IAS examination so that they can get a chance to reach high levels or positions in this world. Similarly, to get a chance to reach high levels or positions in the world hereafter, we have to prepare ourselves to succeed in the test of life. You can understand this by studying various passages in the Quran.